Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. We want to find the value of this expression. 8 divided by 6 divided by 4 then times 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. In this expression we have 2 divisions and 1 multiplication. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. We have 8 divided by 6. We can write 8 over 6 and divided by 4 then times 2. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4 and 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. So we have 4 over 3 then divided by 4 and times 2. Okay, now we have to do this division. 4 over 3 divided by 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay, so we can write 4 over 3 then times 1 over 4 and times 2. We can easily cancel this 4 and this 4. So we have 1 times 1 times 2, which equals 2 over 3 times 1 times 1, which equals 3. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 2 over 3.